Hey everyone, welcome back to All About AI Tech. Tonight we're diving into a critical issue that's going to impact all of us, the colossal energy demands of AI and the strain it's putting on our power grid. Data centers, the heart of AI processing, are like electricity guzzlers, and their appetite is growing exponentially. We're talking gigawatts upon gigawatts of power required to keep these facilities running, and that presents a huge challenge for our already aging infrastructure. I'm deeply concerned about the future of our energy grid and the potential for widespread outages and economic disruption if we don't act fast. So, just how much energy are we talking about? Well, think about this. A single large data center can consume as much electricity as a small city. Now, multiply that by the hundreds, if not thousands, of data centers popping up around the country, and you start to get a picture of the scale of the problem. And it's only going to get worse. As AI becomes more sophisticated and prevalent in our lives, the demand for data processing will only increase, and so too will the energy needed to power it all. This is like a freight train barreling down the tracks, and our power grid is stuck on the rails. And it's not just AI. We're also seeing a rapid increase in the adoption of electric vehicles, which, while fantastic for the environment, puts yet more strain on the grid. And then there's the shift towards renewable energy sources like solar and wind. While these are crucial for a sustainable future, their intermittent nature presents its own set of challenges. The power grid isn't designed to handle these fluctuating energy sources, and that's leading to instability and the risk of blackouts. It's a complex web of interconnected issues, and we need to find solutions fast. The U.S. power grid is already showing signs of stress. We've seen rolling blackouts in California, Texas, and other states in recent years, and experts are warning that this is just a taste of things to come. The grid was built decades ago, and it simply wasn't designed for the demands of the 21st century. We're talking about outdated transmission lines, insufficient generating capacity, and a lack of investment in modernizing the infrastructure. It's a recipe for disaster. So, what can we do? Well, utility companies are starting to wake up to the problem. They're exploring innovative solutions like smart grids, energy storage technologies, and demand-side management programs. However, huge investment is needed to make these solutions a reality, and that means rising electricity prices for consumers. It's a tough pill to swallow, but it's the price we have to pay to ensure a reliable and sustainable energy future. We need to support these efforts and push for policies that incentivize innovation and investment in the grid. Renewable energy sources are key to decarbonizing the grid and meeting the increased demand from AI and other sources, but we need to find ways to make them more reliable. That means investing in energy storage solutions like batteries and pumped hydro, as well as developing smart grid technologies that can balance supply and demand in real time. We also need to explore other options like geothermal and nuclear power, which, though they have their own unique benefits and setbacks, also are not dependent on fair weather like solar or wind. It's a multifaceted challenge that demands a comprehensive approach. Energy efficiency is another critical piece of the puzzle. We need to find ways to reduce our overall energy consumption, both in our homes and in data centers. That means designing more energy-efficient buildings, developing more efficient AI algorithms, and investing in technologies that can reduce waste. Every little bit helps, and we all have a role to play in conserving energy. I'm so grateful for those of you already making efforts to be more energy conscious. Government policies also play a crucial role. We need policies that incentivize the development of renewable energy, promote energy efficiency, and support investment in the power grid. We also need to ensure that these policies are equitable and don't disproportionately burden low-income communities. This is a national issue that requires a national response. We need our leaders to take this seriously and work together to find solutions. Write your representatives and let them know this is important to you. We have to get involved and make our voices heard. The good news is that there are a lot of brilliant minds working on these problems. We're seeing incredible innovation in areas like energy storage, smart grids, and renewable energy technologies. I'm optimistic that we can find solutions to this challenge, but it's going to take a concerted effort from all of us. We need to work together, across industries and communities, to ensure a sustainable energy future for generations to come. I am so encouraged by the dedication and hard work of so many innovators in this space. It gives me hope for a bright future. The future of our energy grid is inextricably linked to the future of AI. We can't have one without the other. We need to find a way to balance the incredible potential of AI with the need for a reliable and sustainable energy system. It's a challenge, to be sure, but it's also an opportunity. By working together, we can build a future where both AI and clean energy thrive. This is a conversation that needs to continue. I encourage you to leave your thoughts in the comments below. What are your ideas for solving this crisis? Let's discuss and find solutions together.